Namaste to Principal Sir of DB Public School Dhori. Now I am going to explain a lesson from English practice book of class 8. The chapter is first chapter tenses. This one is the third part of my video of English practice book chapter tense. Worksheet 8 simple past or present perfect. What is simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to denote an action which happened in the past time. जो भूतकाल में कोई घटना हुआ था ये समझाने के लिए verb का सिंपल पास्ट टेंस होता है. और प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, the present perfect tense is used to denote an action which has just completed and the result of the work is still present. तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस ही है जो वर्तमान काल में कंप्लीट हो चुका है और जिसका फॉल विद्यमान है, वो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है. तो रीड द फॉलोइंग. आई कॉल्ड द प्लम्बर टू फिक्स द लीकिंग वाटर पाइप. सेकेंड, I have called the plumber to fix the leaking pipe. He may arrive any moment. So sentence 1 talks about an action in the past that has no connection with the present. तो past है जो present के साथ कोई connection नहीं है. Sentence 2 talks about a past action that is linked to it the present. और एक past action जो present से linked है. Action have called the plumber. Connection with the present. He may arrive any moment. If a past action has a link with the present, we use present perfect. If a past action has no link with the present, we use simple past. Also remember that we do not use any past time reference such as yesterday, last week, etc. with present perfect tense. तो present perfect tense के साथ हम लोग last week और yesterday ये सब use नहीं करते हैं. Some verbs in the sentences have given below have been used in wrong form. Underline them and write the correct forms one has been done for you. तो I have met him yesterday. तो ये गलत है, have met गलत है, ये होगा I met him yesterday. ये simple past tense होगा. I knew him since his childhood. I have known him. ये second है. Second here worksheet 8 page 12. I have known him since his childhood. Next 3. Various new inventions and discoveries by our scientists made our life extremely comfortable. इसमें made our life की जगह discoveries made our life की जगह have made होगा. Various new inventions and discoveries by our scientists have made. Scientists plural है, इसलिए have made our lives extremely comfortable. Question 4. The Delhi Metro made commuting a comfortable experience for the people. तो इसमें मेट्रो दिल्ली मेट्रो मेड की जगह क्या होगा? The Delhi Metro has made communicating a comfortable experience for the people. Question 5. Dr. Lawrence of France has invented the stethoscope in 1816. तो has the Dr. Lawrence of France invented, इसमें invented होगा. Lawrence has invented की जगह has नहीं होगा, इसमें invented होगा. Invented underline invented होगा. Next 6. The invention of the stethoscope has actually happened accidentally. Stethoscope has accidentally. So the invention of the stethoscope actually happened. Actually, इसमें has actually का has नहीं होगा, actually होगा. Actually happened accidentally. Next 7. The state government built 7 new flyovers recently to tackle the increasing traffic. The officials hope these will save at least 30 minutes of travel. The state government इसमें has built होगा, built की जगह the state government has built होगा. Next next is breaking news. तो इसमें क्वेश्चन है fill in the blanks with either simple past or simple past or present perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. तो simple past और present perfect tense से फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स करना है। तो द फेमस इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट मिस्टर कापूर, इसमें डोनेट है तो हैज डोनेटेड होगा, हैज डोनेटेड ₹50 लाख टू एन ऑरेंज to an orphanage. The Kapoor handed over the check to the manager of the orphanage this morning. Mr. Kapoor made many such donations. तो made की जगह made ही होगा, सिंपल पास्ट ही होगा, made many such donations in the past. Second, Mr. Sharma of Delhi become the first person to work. Become की जगह present perfect tense होगा, has become होगा, has become the first person to walk through the entire nation on foot. It took him 4 years. तो take नहीं होगा, इसमें took होगा. It took him 4 years to complete this feat. 3. The government declared. तो government ये past simple past नहीं, ये present perfect होगा, has declared Monday a public holiday on account of the sudden demise of the minister. The minister died of a heart attack. Die की जगह died होगा, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस होगा। देन वर्कशीट 9, वर्कशीट 9, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग यूजिंग द पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस ऑफ द वर्ब्स गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट्स। तो ये वर्कशीट 9 पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के इसको फिल करना है। आई प्रॉमिस, तो पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में हैड मस्ट है, स्ट्रक्चर में सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस V3 ऑफ द मेन वर्ब, तो सब में हैड जुड़ेगा इसमें। I had promised my baby sister that I would take her to the children's park if she behaved nicely throughout the day. When I reached in the morning, I was pleasantly surprised to see that my sister cleaned. So here it will be had cleaned her room perfectly. She put, so had put 3 forms are same. She put her books in the book rack. She changed. So see, it will be had changed. She had changed the bed sheet. She finished. It will be she had finished. She had finished her homework and even learned. So and had even learned. Yeah, learned the science lesson. Mother told me that she helped. So it will be had helped. Had helped in the kitchen too. I was impressed since she kept. It will be had kept. Had kept her word. I decided keep my promise too. Then what's it? 10. What's it 10? Simple past or past perfect. Read the following. I painted my room. I had painted my room. I painted simple past example, and I had painted my room before the guests arrived. तो I had painted action 1 and the guests arrived action 2. तो had जहाँ पर है वो पास्ट परफेक्ट होगा, और जहाँ पर had नहीं है the guests arrived सिंपल पास्ट फॉर्म यूज हुआ है, वहाँ पर वो होगा the guests arrived, तो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है। We use simple past to express an action that happened in the past. तो पास्ट में जो हुआ था simply happened in the past. We use past perfect when one past action was completed before another past action. तो एक past action complete हुआ दूसरे past action से पहले। तो I painted my room. The guests arrived. तो अभी जो है complete the following story using either simple past or past perfect tense of the verbs given in the bracket. तो past और past perfect tense से bracket को fill करना है। चुन्नी was a very clever girl who always study है तो studied होगा, hard and obey है तो obeyed होगा her elders. One day when her mother go तो had gone होगा, यहाँ पर past perfect यूज होगा to the market. चुन्नी sit तो यहाँ पर sat होगा simple past down to do her homework. Suddenly the smell smoke. Suddenly she smelled. तो smelled होगा simple past smelled smoke. When she had looked out of the window, she की जगह saw होगा, saw that there was a fire in her friend's house. Her friend's family go का simple past होगा went out of station. चुन्नी think का simple past होगा thought first. She remembered की जगह remembered होगा simple past that her teacher teach की जगह had taught her a lesson on useful services such as the police station, fire brigade, hospital, etc. She know का जगह knew होगा simple past, knew the phone number of the fire brigade well because her daddy make की जगह had made होगा past perfect होगा had made her remember these numbers. चुन्नी quickly call की जगह had called होगा past perfect होगा the fire station and request की जगह requested होगा requested for help. The fire engine arrived की जगह had arrived होगा quickly and put off the fire. Everybody in the neighborhood praised की जगह होगा praised simple past tense praised चुन्नी. So up to here homework is solve worksheet 8 in homework notebook. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.